Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we visited Terra Garden, which is the unique garden introduced in India for the first time. Okay, as we entered the stall, we can see here's a beautiful setup. As you can see, it's a waterfall, benches, grass, pebbles, and plants. So this is like an amazing view, which can help you decorate your balcony, terrace, and anything. And this is the bench. I'm sitting, and here is the table so that you can keep your stuffs over here. Like if you're sitting for an evening coffee, you can place your coffee cup over here. If you want to work in this beautiful setup, you can just work on your laptop by sitting here and keeping your laptop on this table. There is also water therapy over here so that you can relax yourself and work peacefully. So if you step barefootedly on this setup, you can seriously feel the pebbles, the grass and everything. Sorry, but I'm wearing shoes right now. But if you step on it barefootly, the pebbles can help you relax your body and helps in your blood circulation, which is also helpful in acupuncture as well. As you can see, there are aromatic plants available. Not only aromatic plants, the kitchen garden plants can also be available, and different kind of plants of your choice can also be available with the setup you want. So to know more about it, let's have a word with Mr. Daniel. So hello Mr. Daniel sir. So can you just tell us what exactly is Terra Garden?
Terra Garden is a planned balcony where we use different elements, and that elements will enhance the mood and improve the productivity levels. And this increases the aesthetics of the balcony, and we in fact have got various elements incorporated in this Terra Garden design.
Can you tell us how is it unique?
See, Terra Garden is a 360 degrees experience. It's a unique in way, we have incorporated five elements like, the senses: sight, touch, smell, sound and taste. In this, when you enter a balcony, the greenery of the balcony will increase and have a therapeutic healing to your sight. The greenery and the way it has been designed, it's so pleasant. And the touch of the natural elements that we have incorporated, like the teak, pebbles, and will also make sure that you have some relaxation to the body and other things. The smell of the balcony is enhanced with this aromatic plants. The aromatic plants will give you a pleasant smell, which will be soothing to your mind, and will give you a relaxation sort of a feeling. And we have got the once you are into this balcony, where you have good greenery and the sight. Once you have a pleasant smell in the balcony, we look forward for soothing of mind. So for this we have incorporated this water fountain. Water fountain gives you a pleasant sound, which also adds up to relaxation of your mind. And basically people nowadays are so tensed up with their lifestyle. When you sit down in such a pleasant balcony with a cup of tea, it gives you overall different experience. And when you sit down in this balcony, open to the skies, watching moon and stars, which gives you overall a different experience. So Terra Garden is unique in its sense with all these five elements.
So how is it ecologically helpful?
Yeah, Terra Garden is a product which cuts down the temperature of the heat that comes from the sun. These plants help you reduce the temperature by 50%. And this is how, apart from that, we also have greenery effect which cools down the balcony's heat. This product has been launched in India for the first time. You find this sort of a product only in Malaysia, Singapore and Japan. In India, the temperature of the heat that comes up during the summers, and it's totally cut down by the plants that are there in the balcony. And the wood what we use is total BT teak wood, and it's natural and it's durable. The plants which we use are aromatic plants, and we also have anti-mosquito plants. The mosquitoes in the balcony are warded off by the smell of these anti-mosquito plants.
So how is the maintenance of this?
This product is very easily maintained. See, the deco paint that has been on the this wood lasts long, and we also give you support for 6 months. For 6 months, our horticulture specialist will come and take care of the plants, and we also have our setup which will always be there 24/7 to help you.
So thank you so much, sir. So this indeed is an unique thing that we need to look forward to put it in our homes, decorate our balconies and everything. As we heard from Mr. Daniel, this is the unique concept introduced in India by Mr. Pramod with the unique architecture, as you can see, as we have shown in this video. In conclusion, we can say that this is the future, as setting up this garden in the balcony can help in reducing the temperature, which thus helps in reducing the global warming. I can say this is the future, which can help in reducing lots of pollution as well. And I would encourage you guys to please visit Terra Garden and get your heavenly luxurious garden today.